This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. Not all products, features, or services mentioned in this video are available for sale in all countries. Contact your local Dräger representative for more information. Mentioned trademarks are only registered in certain countries and not necessarily in the country in which this material is released. Go to dräger.com/trademarks to find the current status. Accessories can be attached and removed quickly and without tools. The following components are available: the neck guard, the safety goggles, the earmuffs CPE 100, special visors such as mesh, PC, polycarbonate, and electro visors, the helmet lamps, the communication unit HPS COM, the active hearing protection NC 200, and reflective stripes. To mount the neck guard, first release the two lower tabs on the rear support ring from the helmet shell. Now detach the rear retaining ring from the fastening clips by pulling the retaining ring upwards. Then detach the two centrally located clips from the helmet shell. Position the neck guard so that the hook and loop fastener are visible. Next, insert the two central straps of the neck guard in the tabs of the two loosened clips. And then refit them firmly back into the corresponding slots in the helmet shell. Now reinsert the attachment points of the rear retaining ring into the corresponding clips until they audibly click into place and the lower tabs of the retaining ring are properly hooked into the helmet shell again. Next, attach the two side straps of the neck guard to the front carrier ring. For the alternative assembly variant, position the neck guard so that the hook and loop fastener are visible. Next, insert the two central straps of the neck guard through the slots between the centered rear clips and the helmet shell. Close the hook and loop fastener. After that, attach the two side straps of the neck guard to the front carrier ring. Disassembly is performed in reverse order. The neck guard can be used in two different ways: as a neck and shoulder protection. For this option, fold back the two side parts and fasten them with the hook and loop fastener. As a neck, shoulder, and throat protection. For this purpose, wrap the two side parts around the throat area and close them with the hook and loop fastener. The safety goggles are available with different connection options: the Quick Connect system and a circumferential elastic band. For the assembly with Quick Connect, first check that the safety goggles are positioned correctly. Now insert the quick coupling, top end first, into one of the bevel slots. Position the tooth of the quick coupling so that it rests on the edge of the helmet shell and press until the coupling audibly engages. Repeat this step on the other side. Make sure that the fastening system is correctly connected to the helmet shell. The fit of the safety goggles can be adjusted by the ends of the elastic band. If you no longer need the goggles, they can be worn on the top of the helmet. To remove the safety goggles, press on the tooth of the Quick Connect system and remove the goggles. To attach the safety goggles to the helmet with the elastic band, first detach the elastic band from the holder on the frame of the safety goggles on one side. Now position the goggles and make sure they are in the right direction. Then guide the elastic band through the slanted back slots on the helmet shell. After that, loop the elastic band back into the holder on the frame of the safety goggles. To disassemble the safety goggles, simply perform these steps in reverse order. For an optimal fit of the goggles, they should be adjusted once over the ends of the elastic band. To do that, remove the other elastic band from the retaining clips and put on the helmet and the safety goggles. Now adjust the fit of the goggles by pulling on the ends of the elastic band. Then fix the ends with the retaining clips on the left and right. We recommend removing the helmet for this purpose. To mount the hearing protection, flap the earmuff capsules into the standby position. Now insert the holder into the side interface on the helmet until it audibly clicks into place. Repeat these steps on the other side. There are two positions for the hearing protection. For the usage position, pull the earmuffs over the ears and press them on the ears until they audibly lock into the correct position. The fit of the earmuffs can be individually adjusted upwards and downwards. For the non-use position, pull the earmuff capsules from the ears until a click is heard. After that, turn the earmuffs backwards and press them onto the helmet shell. To remove the earmuffs from the helmet, take them off. Press on the locking point of the fastening support from the inside of the helmet and pull the hearing protection out of the interface. To use the visor, the earmuff capsules or corresponding visor adapter must be mounted. Here, mounting is carried out on the earmuffs as an example. To mount a special visor with earmuffs, push the sighting rail on both sides up to the stop through the openings on the hearing protector. The attached visor can be adjusted either above in standby position or below in usage position. To disassemble the visor, pull it out of the mounting clips. Please note, this accessory is not compatible with the safety goggles. Various lamps are available for the HPS 3500, Dräger HPS 3500 front lamp, standard helmet lamps with connection in the side area, for example the Dräger PX1 series and the Dräger HPS buddy light. Check if the batteries are inserted. Then check the status of the batteries. To do this, switch on the lamp. The battery level indicator is located next to the switch. The battery level indicator is green for over 75%, yellow for 75% to 25%, and red for less than 25%. Now place the adapter on the front lamp from above onto the receptacle on the helmet shell and slide the lamp down until the adapter audibly clicks in the front lamp receptacle. The lighting angle of the lamp can be adjusted individually. Quickly pressing the switch toggles between the different light modes. Press the switch to turn off the lamp. To remove the lamp, pull the lever on the lamp adapter until the adapter detaches from the receptacle and slide the lamp upwards out of the holder. To use the PX1 helmet lamp, plug the adapter onto the lamp. Make sure that the adapter is positioned between the bars on the lamp and that the cutout on the lamp holder points in the direction of the lamp head. Turn the lamp holder so that the lamp holder encloses the lamp. After that, insert the lamp holder on one of the provided adapters on the helmet. The lighting angle can be set in 5 positions. Apply minimal pressure to the light head to change the light angle. To remove the lamp, apply light pressure to the lamp head, rotate it approximately 90 degrees away from the comb, and remove the lamp from the helmet adapter. To attach the adapter plate to the helmet, the surface must be clean and dry. First, remove the protective film. Attach the adapter plate to the left or right of the comb of the helmet shell with the supplied double-sided adhesive tape and press it down briefly. To attach the HPS buddy light to the adapter plate on the helmet, place it at an angle to the adapter plate in the preferred orientation and then lock it into place by twisting the bayonet type connector in a clockwise direction. The lamp has 7 modes in 3 colors in either continuous or flashing light mode. The disassembly of the Dräger HPS buddy light is performed in reverse order. First, insert the adapter of the Dräger HPS COM communication unit into the interface on the right side of the helmet until it audibly clicks into place. The following HPS COM versions can be used with the HPS 3500 helmet. Dräger HPS COM without skull microphone. Dräger HPS COM with skull microphone. To assemble the Dräger HPS COM on the helmet, insert the metal clip into the COM interface until it audibly snaps into place. Disassembly is performed in reverse order. To assemble the Dräger HPS COM on the helmet, insert the metal clip into the COM interface until it audibly snaps into place. Now attach the skull microphone inside the helmet at a suitable position of the hairnet. Disassembly is performed in reverse order. To release the adapter from the interface, press lightly on the adapter from above and pull it out of the interface. To assemble the active hearing protection, fold the earmuffs into the standby position. Insert the holder into the side interface until it audibly clicks into place. Repeat these steps on the other side. There are 2 positions for the active hearing protection. For the use position, pull the hearing protectors over the ears and press the earmuffs to your ears until they audibly snap into the corresponding position. The fit of the earmuffs can be individually adjusted upwards and downwards. For the non-use position, pull the active hearing protection capsules from the ears until a click is heard. After that, turn the earmuffs backwards and press them onto the helmet shell. To remove the active hearing protection from the helmet, press on the locking point of the fastening support from the inside of the helmet and pull the hearing protection out of the interface. For the application of the reflective stripes, the surface must be clean and dry. The reflective stripes can be applied to the front, side and rear area. We will show you the application on the side. To apply the side reflective stripes to the helmet shell, align them with the recesses for the lamp holder attachment. Remove the protective film halfway and slowly apply the reflective stripes. You can also use a squeegee or a wooden handle to smooth out any wrinkles.